Now, let me tell you something. If somebody would have told me today that I would be installing a sump pump today, I would have been thinking like, oh, you trying to curse me or something? What's your deal? But here I am today, got to install a new sump pump. And here's why. Alright, so here's the old sump pump that went bye-bye, stopped working and everything. So I call myself taking it out, try to fix it. You see all the tools here I had here. Literally took it apart, took everything from the bottom and everything. Then on top of that, I went underneath, took the thing off that was on there, right? And come to find out that the motor, basically, here's the crazy part. The motor was working, right? But it doesn't no longer have that kick that kicks it to go. In other words, the motor was partially working. You basically gotta turn the thing and then it kicks in, you know, like a car alternator or something. And you know, you can't do that because it was kicking on its own, but it no longer had the ability to kick itself on. So I had to go and get a new sump pump. I also basically took some stuff off of here to put on the new sump pump. So check it out. So here's the new sump pump that I'm installing. I took the old pipe off the old sump pump and basically screwed it on. If you need to figure out how to do this, I definitely will provide a link to the videos that show you how to install a sump pump, because that's literally what I had to do to look it up on YouTube. I had to look up some videos on how to install this, and the particular pump I'm installing is from Wayne. I mean, I had to do some research too. I had to really look around. I wanted to have a sump pump that will last a long time, and apparently this is the one that will last a while and then some. But of course the moment of truth is going to be coming. I'm actually going to put it inside of here, and if you can see it, the water level is going back up again. Now luckily for us, this is like a deep well, luckily for us, so plus we ain't had no rain, so thank God for that. So I'm about to put this pump right in there. So I really honestly do not want to be doing this on a Saturday, but here I am installing this sump pump, and you know what, let's get at it. Because we need that water to be gone. Alright, let's do this. Well, it looks like the water level looks pretty decent down there so far. When I took the sump pump out, it first pretty much was filled up and everything. But I took some water out and left it the way it is. You see it now. So thank goodness, like I said earlier, it didn't rain or anything after that. So thank God for that. Otherwise, it probably would have flooded down here. I'm gonna go ahead and install this pump now and get this out of the way. So what I'm basically going to do is, now remember the other one I showed you earlier was much lighter, the other pump. This one is heavy, cast iron and all that. So I got to lower it down kind of carefully and line it up with that thing there. And, well, let's do this. That's enough with the talking. Let's do this. All right. Oh, by the way, I got my hands on one of these. I'm using one of these straps you use for your dolly in there to keep stuff on your roll cart so it won't fall off. I'm using one of them. It's pretty strong, so it definitely should help us do the job. And yes, I am dressed up like a surgeon because basically that's what I'm doing, right? All right, let's do this. Oh, this handle comes in handy right here. Now I know why they installed this handle. I love this. They thought of everything when they made this pump. Cool. Love it. All right. Oh, they came off again. See, that's what I get for yapping. Okay. Let's do this. Alright. Kinda got it in there. I ain't trying to mess nothing up. There we go. Got it right down and down and right where we want it. Right there. So right now, okay, it's sitting at the bottom. It's right there where it needs to be. So, before I even dare to turn the motor on by plugging this up, I'm not plugging it up because as soon as I plug this up, the motor's going to be on. So I'm not going to plug this up yet. Oh no, I don't want a whole bunch of water splashing on me. Well, that. We ain't doing that. First we gotta connect the this to that. So that's what I gotta do now. Alright. Hope y'all can see everything. Let's see if I can do this right so y'all can see what I'm doing. As a matter of fact, hold up. Let's get it closer. Let's get it closer. So y'all can see what I'm doing. Give me a moment. Yes, I know it's weird. Okay, there we go. I think y'all can see that. Alright, let's do this. Alright, first I want to get the clamp inside the other thing. So, here we go. Get as close to that thing as possible. Yep, there it is. Down to where almost where I needed to be. Alright. Carefully move this thing down like it was before with the other pump. Alright. So I got it where it needs to be, but now I gotta tighten it. Because like I said, I don't want a bunch of water coming out of here and there, so I gotta tighten both of these little things here. I gotta tighten this and I gotta tighten that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Carefully tighten it. Alright. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna do the first one. Hope y'all can see that. You basically want to make sure you get this kind of stuff so you guys do this. Second one here. I literally can see why plumbers like this kind of thing, because it's easy to install like this. And it stays where it's supposed to be. I don't want to make it too tight. I'm not trying to break the pipe. I don't want to do that. Alright. Alright. That's that. Now, the moment of truth. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Now I'm going to plug it up. Here we go. Oh, check that out. Check that out. It's working. Look at that. Working beautifully. Look at that. Look at that baby go. Oh my. Look at that. Oh, and more water's coming in. You see this craziness? Look at this. Look at this. What is that floating around in there? I have no idea. Look at what it's doing. Oh my goodness. Am I doing this right? Hope I'm not messing up for y'all, am I? Look at this. Doing this thing. Look at this. Doing this thing. Wow. And look, it's quiet. As you notice, it's quiet too. It's not noisy. The other pump used to be noisy. This is clean. This is cool. I love it. Well, old pump, it was nice knowing you. You lasted many years from what I heard. You've been here since you was here before we even moved in this place. Farewell to you. That's basically it. So hope that's hope this is helpful and everything. When you installed your own sump pump. Hopefully you never have to, but if you do, this will definitely help you, hopefully. So thank you for stopping by to watch this interesting video that I didn't quite plan, but here we are. Have a wonderful day, no matter what.